Hi there. Hello guys, hope you are doing great. We are here to talk about the remesh tool. So how can we do as quick as how can we remesh our model as quick as possible? Okay, so we are going to talk about a tool that I found. Okay, first of all, I'm going to tell you that there are several tools in the market that are better, but they are expensive. Okay, so this video is for those though who cannot afford. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here is, if you don't have the ZBrush in your PC, first you have to download it from Google. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can download it first. Let me open my Google account. Okay, so I get into PC. Okay, so go to this website and just search is here ZBrush. Okay, here you can find the updated version, the lower version, extremely low version. Okay, so you can download any version here. You can also download 2024. Okay, these are all clad versions. Okay, first you have done first you download and install. Then when you go to the light box, you can choose any of the model you want. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one because this is a complex humanoid model. Okay, so as you can see that it has a lot of vertices, but these vertices are affordable. You can see that it's 47,000 count. Cause yeah, this model is already remeshed. So as I'm going to explain you why how we can remesh it further. So just go to the geometry tab, and here you can see ZRemesher. Okay, so ZRemesher is, you can use it by just one click. You can control the poly count here. Okay, so it's already 5. It's okay for me, so I'm going to remesh it. You can see, just look at this value here. Okay, it's 57,000 count. So after the remesh is complete, you will see that it's 11,000 now, 40,000 reduction, and this is hilarious and absolutely good. And you can see the quality. It's good, man. It's totally good. Remember that time when we remeshed each and every face, and it wasted a lot of time. So we are here. Welcome to the future. Hope you guys like it, and please subscribe my channel and for further information. Have a great day.